Hello, friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you inspiring ideas for enhancing the beauty of your living space. In this video, we are diving into the world of center table designs, the heart of your living room. Discover a creative and stylish center table design that will transform your space into a haven of elegance and functionality. Whether you are into modern minimalism, rustic charm, or classic sophistication, we have got you covered. Join us as we explore various center table designs, discuss their unique features, and offer tips on how to incorporate them into your decor. We are all about design inspiration, so remember we don't provide any services. Our goal is to spark your creativity and help you to achieve the home of your dreams. So, if you're ready to elevate your interior design game, hit that like button and give us thumbs up, and let's get started. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.